To replace the dry ink container, first open up the front access cover and identify the correct keg. On this particular machine, there is only one toner keg, but there are some machines out there that will have two, one here and one here. So rotate the locking lever to the left and remove the keg. As you remove the keg, make sure that you elevate the back in order to prevent any type of toner from spilling. When you get the new toner, make sure that the seal is not broken. Then you can shake the toner 4 to 5 times to loosen the toner. Install the new keg. And on the keg itself, there's an arrow. Make sure that the arrow is lined up to the arrow on the machine. Rotate the locking latch and shut the door.